Hello guys, Switch here. In today's video I just want to introduce you to another game from the Hamster universe. So it's not the Hamster King because the last video was about the Hamster King. So I'm just going to move this in a minute. I'm just using this as a reference to the last video so you know what the fuck is going on. And we are going to play in this video the Hamster Gamedev Heroes. So as you can see in the game, in the Hamster universe, we have a couple of games. We have the Hamster Gamedev Heroes. We are having the Hamster Fight Club, which actually I'm running this aside so I can show you in a minute, but I will do the separate video about this game as well. Hamster King, which I've done it already, and it's going to be on the channel all the time. Those two games, because Hamster King is going to be all the time because the Hamster King, it's like the game which you can actually sit and play for hours. It's not like the Hamster Gamedev or Hamster Fight Club or any other game where you can literally jump for 2 minutes just once per day and it's job done. This game this game Hamster King is genuinely the game which I'm going to play full time. As soon as I'm gonna pump out the old content I wanna put it, so Wealthy Affiliates lessons, the course for AI beginners, and then I will jump to play actually full time as a gamer / YouTuber into games. I genuinely like it. So that's amazing game. But like I said, it's going to be on this channel like lots of times. Hamster Boost, I don't know because it's a closed beta. And Hamster Interlude, I had the opportunity to play a couple of days ago, or maybe a week ago. But unfortunately, I was able to play just one day because it was a closed beta, but I somehow get access for one day, and then that's like what I achieve. I farm the diamonds, and the diamonds is like sort of currency within that mini game. And then for the diamonds you can access the cards. And this project, well, unfortunately I don't have any resources to show you. I didn't know that's gonna be just for one day. That was last day. This game is huge. This is fucking amazing. This game is amazing. It just basically you have NFTs inside that game from that Hamster universe. So you have like fuckloads of amazing hamsters, like Hamster, like Captain America Hamster, or you name it, everything. All the universes combined, pictures, photos is fucking amazing. You're buying those NFTs if you can afford for those crystals, and then you can access that card. If you buy that card, you can access that card and you can mine that currency because you having that card. So every card have a different amount of mining the diamonds, so that's gonna stack up to each other, like 0.001. the other one will have the 1 diamond per hour, the other one will have like just significant, fraction of farming the diamond, but all is combining, and that's what I end up just playing one day. 439 diamonds, and I assume obviously the shitloads of diamonds is not really going to be much, but imagine that playing that game for like 20 years from now, and then on the airdrop, well, you will get lots of fucking cryptocurrency. That's what I think, at least. It's not going to happen on the beginning, but if you will be consistent. And also I just like the game, like those cards are like, they just design, like they just hook you up, like you're just watching, and it's like super amazing graphics. So I definitely look into that. I hope that's gonna be soon released. Hamster Fight, I can show you just a glimpse of this, but I will do the separate video about that because well, it's super amazing project as well. So basically you're just pressing the button, and then just your hamster fighting against the other hamster, also, although they look like a fucking Autobots right now because of the gear you collecting. And it's like super self-explanatory. You're not really doing anything. When you're gonna reach the level, another level, you can put one skill point. Other than that, you just unlocking the chest, and then you have some loot, and basically you just burning that loot. So when you're burning that loot, you will accumulate the points, and you can sort of upgrade your loot if you want to. I'm not really upgrading anything because there is no really point, as you can upgrade and you're just gonna get some few more points in the hit power, so fuck that. I will just keep that upgrading points that green powder for like some end game content, like a year from now I'll be using. So I'm gonna talk much more about this game. We're just gonna jump to the main topic of this video, which is the Hamster Gamedev Heroes. This game is also super cool, super amazing. Especially amazing is the part where it's actually the sound in the game. So we are having the screen right now with the congratulations on finishing of the project, and we have the total rewards, which is 240k. If you want to have the more rewards, I will just explain you right now in a minute, and just looking. Is it okay setup? But I assume you can see everything. It's actually not a bad idea to playing it like that from the BlueStack. Just simply because I have advert on the left, my camera is on the right, and you can see everything. So that's even better than the full screen, because I always trying to put everything on the full screen, and actually it's right now I think it's much better, so you can see everything. Anyway, so we're just gonna start from the beginnings, which it's just basically project left up. Oh, you can't see that, can you? I see my arrow, but my layout it's covering the Can I actually do a smaller window? Yes, I can. One thing what I don't like about BlueStack, it's I can't fucking pull off this window. Like, why the fuck? Like, how come? Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Okay, yeah, right now you can see everything. So yeah, so we have like that's the main character, like the main lead designer. So we can tap him, and you are tapping him after you choosing the project. So choosing the project, we obviously want to choose the project which we are going to have the most profit from it. So 180k here. To be able to choose that project, we need 3 programmers, 2 graphic designers, excuse me, and 1 game designer. So one more time, 3 programmers, 2 graphic designers, and 1 game designer. So I can choose this because obviously I have that team, that crew. And if you wonder why I choose randomly whatever from that sort of menu, was like few things to choose. I think we can just create that operation one more time. So just choose settings. It's like, it doesn't really matter. You're just choosing whatever here. And that project is running and it's saying us we can receive, we can finish, the project is going to be finished within the 20 minutes. If you want to speed up the process, you can always go to Office, to Development tab, and to upgrade everything within the Development tab. So that will add extra points per minute. Although I think those points are not the points to speed up the process. I think those points are to accumulate more points on those 3 tabs. And those 3 tabs, basically what they do, the more you have here points, the more reward, extra reward on top of that project you will receive. So you can smash or tap your main character if you want to, but it's like super slowly processed. So I decide to not really doing this at all unless you just really want to dive into that and spend as much as possible. Well, you can just leave it as it is, came back in 20 minutes and just start the new project. What you can do with your resources, basically you are going to that office and you try to unlock the full room, full spots. So I need a reputation on the level 10. As you can see, I'm level 9, so I'm not able to do so. Then you probably will need like significant amount of money to unlock this. The last spot was 400k, so quite a bit. And then obviously you wanna tailor to your team into the way of another project, so if that makes sense. So let's say it's going to be project which is going to be as you can see 400k, and then we have 1 million. So we definitely want to remove the team and create the team in the way to be able to do basically that visual novel. So we have Tycoon, and then we're gonna be the visual novel, so you know what to do. And right now those 250 points you can either allocate into the points which will give you more points per minute. So you will have more points per minute. That's how I feel, at least. I didn't really I didn't really read any manual to it. And also I need to start at some point to read all the news and stuff, so I will actually know exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm just, it's like a assumption, but if somebody knows exactly, you can give me an answer in the comment section below. But I'm just assuming we are getting more points of happiness. This is like, I think, happiness points. I might be mistaken. Either way, you want to upgrade both anyway. So marketing, if you upgrade marketing, you will have the more profit. If you upgrade development, it's supposed to speed up the process of development, right? But also in the same time, you have like happiness points. So plus 13 per minute. I think this is just the point of happiness. Up to combo. Go to shop in gamepads. I don't have any gamepads, but we had on the beginning some gamepads. And the gamepads, basically, you can upgrade your team, which is crazy good, because if you're upgrading your team, it's like happiness. They more happy, the more points you will receive. So you can do the happiness here. I think that's, at least that's the points for the happiness. They've been explaining that on the beginning, but I already forget, to be honest with you. But either way, I know for sure if those bars are full, you will receive twice more rewards. Okay, so just gonna jump to the office. Actually, we'll go to the development, because why not? Just do what I can afford, not much. Not much, but in 20 minutes we'll have those money back anyway. So definitely the game worth watching and playing, because one more time, everything what you're doing in that hamster universe will basically add up to getting the hamster coin airdrop, which is going to be on the 26th of September. So everything what you're doing on every game will count towards one universe and one cryptocurrency, which we're just waiting for the airdrop. The airdrop you can check. I'm just gonna quit this right now. And the airdrop you can check super easily. Well, actually, that was here. Sorry. Super easily by clicking. Hamster internet. Over there, more info. Yeah, here. That's supposed to be here. Yeah, available on September 26th. So season first airdrop. So first season airdrop, which means there are going to be seasons, which means they're going to do an airdrop on every season. So let's say 4 months gonna be a season. I don't know how long it's gonna be season, just assuming, whatever. And then every 4 months you actually will get cryptocurrency from it. So if you're going to play those games for 20 years from now, you will have fuckloads of profit by playing just some fucking silly hamster games. And if you enjoy, because at the end of the day, I'm not telling you to play, I'm not telling you to buy anything. At the end of the day, if you don't feel and you don't like those games, just don't play it, because that's gonna be fucking mind-blowing. Like, what the fuck? What, you don't want to play? It doesn't matter. The profit doesn't matter. You don't want to play the games which you generally you don't like, you don't really want to play. But honestly, I have much more fun playing those games free to play than for last well, this year I didn't play, but last year playing Diablo 4. Like I was super hyped to play the action RPG, and then end up it's like fucking shit. It's like every 4 months they don't really give you anything, so fuck that. So I have much more enjoyment of playing some fucking indie games, and maybe we're gonna get something from it. So like how crazy it is. So either way, super excited about that Hamster universe. That's it for now. 15 minutes. Was supposed to be less than that, I guess, but I don't know. It is what it is. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. And on the end of the video, if you want to support me, which is subscribing to the channel, and maybe use some game from the referral links, because I will get some extra rewards within the game, and then I will just basically allocate those rewards on my Telegram account. So everything what I can possibly get from you guys by subscribing, actually not subscribing, but because if you're subscribing to the YouTube channel, I having fuck all from it. But if you will play those games and subscribe to those, go through those ref links, you will help me to basically create this channel, to create my brand, and ultimately to have giveaways from that, because I'm like, my personality is like, well, I don't have right now much, but when I will have, I will share with people, and that's how I see my channel is going to work. Like I will genuinely do fuckloads of giveaways on my Telegram account when I will be able to. Right now I'm not able, but it's just a matter of time, and you will have some nice rewards, obviously, if you wish to support me, because like I said, it's a mutual connection. You're just playing the games, I will get something from those games, and then I can just do some nice gratitude, because I'm not a stingy motherfucker, so I'm not gonna keep all the stars or whatever it is, the currency, for myself. I just genuinely wanna invest into those projects. So thank you very much, guys, one more time. See you guys in the next video. I think I'm just gonna do just literally next video about the Hamster Fight Club, because that's gonna be like super short and easy and self-explanatory. So stay tuned for this one after that video. Take care and bye for now.